Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of the universe and brings you the latest news from space. We've got some fascinating stories lined up for you, but first, let's talk about a recent discovery that's been making waves in the astronomy community. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory has just begun its survey of the universe, and it's already made a groundbreaking find, an ultra-faint satellite galaxy of the Milky Way dubbed Aquarius 4. This tiny galaxy is incredibly faint, with an apparent magnitude of 18.3, but despite its dimness, the LSST survey was able to detect it by stacking images and filtering out noise. The stars in Aquarius 4 are poor in heavy elements, indicating that they're quite ancient, possibly around 13 billion years old. This makes them a fascinating subject for study, as they could hold clues about the early universe and the formation of the first galaxies. The discovery of Aquarius 4 is significant, not just because of its age and faintness, but also because it demonstrates the capabilities of the Rubin Observatory. The observatory's LSST survey will steadily increase in sensitivity, making it possible to detect even more ultra-faint galaxies like Aquarius 4. In fact, the team behind the discovery believes that the Rubin Observatory could revolutionize our understanding of these tiny galaxies and their role in the universe. Ultra-faint dwarf galaxies like Aquarius 4 are also of great interest because they're thought to be dominated by dark matter, a mysterious substance that makes up around 85% of the universe's matter. By studying these galaxies, scientists hope to learn more about dark matter and its role in shaping the universe. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue to explore the vast expanse of space and its many wonders, we're going to take a closer look at a fascinating story that's been making headlines in recent days. You may have heard about the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket that collided with the moon earlier this month. This wasn't a planned event, but rather the result of shifts in solar activity and gravity that slowly nudged the empty rocket onto a lunar collision path. As we delve into the details of this story, let's take a step back and consider the broader context. With more and more spacecraft being launched into orbit, the risk of collisions is becoming an increasingly important concern. In fact, NASA has been working to improve its ability to track fast-moving objects that slam into the moon, with the ultimate goal of protecting future astronaut crews. Now let's take a closer look at what happened in this particular case. The Falcon 9 upper stage, which weighed around 4 tons, hit the moon near Einstein crater, close to the boundary between the lunar near and far sides. The impact created a crater that's approximately 60 feet wide and up to 10 feet deep. NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter played a crucial role in helping scientists study the impact site. By tilting its camera and pointing it at the predicted zone each time it passed overhead, engineers were able to capture stunning images of the crater under different lighting conditions. These images reveal a mix of bright and dark streaks fanning out from the hole, with darker rays made of older weathered lunar dust and rocks, and brighter rays closer to the rim coming from more pristine material blasted out from deeper underground. What's really interesting about this story is how it highlights the importance of international cooperation in space exploration. Independent astronomers used public data to trace the rocket's path, and then NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies refined the predicted impact zone. The information was then shared with South Korea's Danuri orbiter team, which released its own images of the crash site. As we continue to push the boundaries of space travel and exploration, stories like this remind us of the need for careful planning, coordination, and cooperation. By working together and sharing our knowledge and resources, we can minimize the risks associated with space travel and ensure that our astronauts and spacecraft are safe. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, let's take a moment to appreciate the fleeting beauty of a celestial event that has captivated humans for centuries, the Perseids meteor shower. This year, the Perseids put on a spectacular show, with the moon conveniently absent from the night sky, allowing us to witness more meteors than usual. The Perseids occur when our planet collides with a stream of debris, cast off by Comet Swift-Tuttle, a comet that orbits the Sun in a direction partly opposite Earth's orbital motion. This results in fast and bright meteors, typically only the size of a sand grain, streaking across our sky. The featured image compilation, captured over several nights from Jezerka in the Czech Republic, showcases the Perseids meteor streaks tracing back to their radiant in the constellation Perseus. As we gaze upon these celestial streaks, let's remember that we're witnessing the remnants of a comet's passage, a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. The Perseids serve as a reminder of the awe-inspiring beauty that awaits us when we venture into the night sky, armed with curiosity and a sense of wonder. As we reflect on the Perseids, let's also consider the broader context of our place within the cosmos. We're part of a planet that orbits a star, which is, itself, part of a galaxy, amidst a vast expanse of billions of galaxies. The Perseids meteor shower is a poignant reminder of our connection to the universe, a universe that is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So, as we conclude today's Star Chat, I encourage you to step outside on a clear night, look up at the stars, and contemplate the celestial ballet that's unfolding above us. Remember that the universe is full of wonders, from the majestic swirl of galaxies to the fleeting beauty of a meteor shower. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.